comes in a nice little box. Going to the website. So the portal takes you straight to the website. You do need to create a Joan account with them, and that's where you're going to log in your calendar system. Now, on top of that, they have different pricing. When you sign up, you have a 30-day trial, and they give you options to either buy the monthly fee or the yearly fee, and they have three different subscriptions: a free version, and then they have a medium version, and then they have a pro version. Now you got to read exactly what you need on those packages, or you could just continue using the free version. There are two methods of pairing the unit. One, you could do it through a Wi-Fi system, or you can download the USB transfer the unit to the USB. So this was a little tricky. It didn't want to work at first, so I ended up using a laptop to actually adjust and pair the system in here. So the application, you might have some issues, you might not, depending on your type of machine. So once you log it in, it automatically picks up from there, and it's going to identify itself with some digits, and then you should see the next step after. Back of it, this is magnetic adhesive magnet. All right, like that. You put this on anywhere, it'll hang. It's 3M. For the purpose of demo, I'm going to block our logo. So you say meet now, you can say that. You can schedule your time, it has plenty of times. If it's available, you could just say meet now. It's book automatically, shows book. You could cancel anytime. If you want to meet later, you can schedule here. Go down the line, the times. If on the timetables, what's available. Let's bring it up the schedule. No meeting schedule, but if it is, it'll show up in here. And then it shows up as Joanne. All these are coming up. These are the tests I did yesterday, today,